हेलो दोस्तों, स्टूडेंट्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हमारा लेक्चर नंबर 3 है और आज हम अगेन स्टार्ट करेंगे क्योंकि कुछ लोगों के इश्यूज़ थे और कुछ लोगों को यूनिट्स समझ नहीं आए। तो आज हम दोबारा से यूनिट्स को स्टडी करेंगे। तो इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम ऑफ यूनिट्स, हमारा जो पहला टॉपिक है वो है इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम ऑफ यूनिट्स। यूनिट्स के जो इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम्स हैं वो क्या हैं और उनको कैसे हम एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं। सो वी नीड टू स्टार्ट अगेन। प्लीज़ अटेंटिव ऑल स्टूडेंट्स। एंड in 1960 an international community agreed on a set of definition and standard to describe the physical quantities. The system that was established is called the System International and is shown as SI. Due to the simplicity and convenience with which the units in the system are embedded to arithmetical manipulation, it is universal use by the world scientific community and by most nations. The System International, the system SI, is built up from three kinds of units: base units, supplementary units, and drive units. So we will discuss first of all base unit, then discuss supplement units and about the examples, then we will discuss drive units. What are the drive units and what are the base units and what are the supplements units? What is base unit? There are 7 base units for various physical quantities, namely length, mass, time, temperature, electricity, current, luminous instant, and amount of substance, with special reference to the number of particles. The name of base unit for these physical quantities together with the symbol are listed in table 1.1. Their standard defines are given in the approximately. Please check the this one table. You need to discuss this channel. And here are the table. I am reading from the table readings. Physical quantities: name, length, SI unit meter, a symbol is M. Second is mass kilogram, SI system is kilogram, and symbol is kg. Third physical quantity is time. SI system, SI unit is second and symbol is S. Electric current. The fourth physical quantity is electrical current. The SI unit is ampere and symbol is A. The fifth thermodynamics temperature. This is unit is Kelvin and symbol is K. Intensity of light. This is the sixth number of physical quantity, that is intensity of light. The unit is candela and defined and shown can be CD. Amount of substance. This is the base unit. Last quantity name is amount of substance. SI unit is mole and symbol is mole 2. The second number is supplementary units. Supplementary units are called defined like The General Conference on Weight and Measure has not yet classified the certain units of the SI under the either base units or derived units. These SI units are called supplementary units. For the time being, this class contains only two units of purely geometrically quantities, which are plane angle and the solid angle. Plane angle is radian, symbol is rad. Solid angle, strand, and unit symbol is SR. What is radian? What is radian? The radian is plane. The radian is the plane angle between two radii of a circle which cut off on the circumference an arc equal in length to the radius as shown in the figure. Then this is the last type of derived units. This is the last type of international system of units, that is called derived units. SI units for measuring all other physical quantities are derived from the base and supplementary units. Some of the derived units are given in table. Force unit is Newton, symbol is N. Work unit is Joule, symbol is J. Power unit is Watt, symbol is W. Pressure unit is Pascal and symbol is Pa. Electric charge unit is Coulomb and the symbol is C. This is the third class, and friends, other lecture we will discuss in the fourth class. Allah Hafiz.